This is breaking news, and this is very concerning news. I have a few videos that I would like you all to check out. We have the sounds, the strange sounds from the sky is happening again all over the United States of America. And it's very concerning because, see, the last time we heard these sounds all across the United States of America was in 2019, just before the C-19 broke out. There were many, many accounts of strange sounds sounding like trumpets all over the U.S. as well as the world. Now these sounds are back, and they are back with a vengeance. We are hearing sounds coming from all over the United States of America starting in January this year. Now, they start really picking up here in November. It appears that the closer we get to the new year, the sounds is getting more stranger and more louder. Check these videos out, everyone. Something big is getting ready to happen, just like it was doing just before the C-19 broke out.
The sound is coming from the sky. Today is November the 11th, 2025. I think it's 1:30 in the morning. I didn't really look. There's nothing there.
So we all just got woken up to some disturbing sound all through the whole area. I just called 911 and they said they've gotten like over 50 calls about it.